Hi, it's Linda Edelwich with William Ravis Real Estate in Glastonbury, Connecticut, and I wanted to talk to you a little bit about why it's important to work not only with a local real estate agent that's familiar with the marketplace, but one that has the experience if you're working with them as a buyer agent or even as a seller agent. Recently, I had a buyer that made an offer on a property. We were in a multiple offer situation and we had an escalation clause. Part of winning that escalation clause or that contract was we asked for proof of the other offer. When that other offer came over to us and we reviewed it, we realized the real estate agent for the seller made a miscalculation of $10,000 when they were trying to compare the two and get the final sales price after the other two offers were escalated. That was pretty huge. They left $10,000 on the table for their seller. Think about that. What would $10,000 mean to you? Working with a real estate agent who has the experience, who has seen a lot of offers come and go, has been managing multiple offers in the last 2 years to a high level, is certainly going to be on their A game and is going to be able to give you the best possible advice. So when you are interviewing a real estate agent, you want to make sure they're local and you want to make sure that they have the experience to get you top dollar and to manage all the different parts of the contract as you are moving through it. So be careful out there and interview well.